Dear friends, this video is about the current policy of the WhatsApp and its related matter. The WhatsApp has announced that it is going to implement a new policy on WhatsApp guidelines so as to give the information that have been obtained through WhatsApp to Facebook and other agencies on and from February 8, 2021. But it has now changed the date up to the month of May due to certain issue or to be segregated by that WhatsApp company. The point herein is that even the case is pending in the Supreme Court of India, it has yet to be decided. The WhatsApp should not share the privacy details and data confining to individuals to any other uh, agencies of vital importance. But the WhatsApp is going on in implementing its own policies. The point herein is that whereas the same WhatsApp company is not indulging in data sharing measures in European countries due to certain safety measures that have been enshrined in the European Parliament and many of the European countries to safeguard the interests of the citizens of those countries in European continent. Whereas in India, such a guarantee is not being given. Though the government of India has made a lot of questionnaires to the WhatsApp so as to not discriminate against Indians, they should be spared or they should be treated on par with European citizens in this regard. Not to disclose those specific data and information confined to the private individuals to any other parties, but the WhatsApp group is not hearing either to the advice of the Honorable Supreme Court of India and also to the queries made by the Government of India Department of Information and Broadcasting Ministry in this regard. The point herein is that in the year 1996, in a constitutional bench, the Supreme Court of India has upheld that the right to privacy an integral and intrinsic part of an individual which shall not be disturbed even by the government authorities or some other NGOs or other authorities without the knowledge of the individuals concerned. Hence, the WhatsApp group, which is having its base with the face of Facebook, is trying to bypass the basic policies that have been given in the policy of the WhatsApp earlier. It is going to be changed very shortly. It is against the interest of the privacy of the individuals and also against the interest of the country as a whole. Thank you so much.